Okay, nothing new here, just some more examples. Again, square root times the square root. They're both under the radical sign. You can multiply them together. Then you want to see if a perfect square divides in. The highest perfect square that does divide into 90 is 9. Obviously 3 times 30 is 90, but 3 and 30 are not perfect squares. One of the numbers has to be a perfect square. I know the square root of 9 is 3. I don't know the square root of 10, so it is 3 root 10. Numbers outside with numbers outside get multiplied together, so 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Numbers inside get multiplied with numbers inside. And then we look at the 12. The highest perfect square that goes into 12 is 4. We know the square root of 4 is 2. And these are both outside now, so they can be multiplied together. So we get negative 16 root 3. Again, feel free to pause the video, take it all in. I just kind of keep talking, but you can do whatever pace works best for you. Here, 3 is outside, nothing else is outside, so 3 is outside. 2 times 10 is 20. 4 does go into 20, and it's the highest perfect square that does. The square root of 4 is 2. So this will be 6 root 5. And again, like, why is that all of a sudden we have that pen come up? Who knows? 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 18, I know you know that, is 54. And then the highest perfect square that goes into 54 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So that's 12 root 6. Okay, this stuff is all important for geometry, so that's why we're definitely hitting it before you leave for the end of the year. These are both under. When you multiply them together, you get 81, and that's under. 81 is a perfect square. So what number times itself gives you 81? That's 9. Here's the problem that I have a few kids do. They see the 9 and they think they should take square root of again, but there's no square root symbol over the 9 now. So don't write your answer as 3, because 3 times 3 is not 81. Write your answer as 9, because 9 times 9 is 81. So that's a simple problem that a lot of kids get wrong. All right, last one of this section, and then we have just one more video after that. I think this is 150, right? Highest perfect square that goes into 150 is 25. We know the square root of 25 is 5. So this will be negative 40 root 6. All right, we have just 4 more problems that are nothing new, just written a little bit different. So you're almost there. You're almost done.